welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy,
hey,
and I'm here with my little hairy puppy. Come here, friend.
Hairy boy,
Teddy.
hairy boy.
And my son Michael Kate, he's behind the camera, and Ginger, she's up. Ginger! Oh, there she is, so cover up because the temperatures are like very, very cold. So today, guys, we're gonna make some cinnamon swirl cupcakes or muffins, or whatever you want to call it. So what I did was, I got 2 of my trays, of course, and I bought me a pack of these little things. They're like $1.29, so I got a whole bunch of yellow and pink ones like for $1.49. So this cinnamon swirl cake or cinnamon swirl cupcakes, I'm gonna make cinnamon swirl muffins, right, Michael?
That's right.
Muffins, yes. So it only consists, this is what it brings. This is the flour that it brings. So what we have to do is,
Open.
it says open the flour, pour it in your pan, and then you're gonna put, it says 1 egg.
That's right.
So this is 1 egg, okay? And 2/3 cups of water. Here's the water.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna put it in there. So
Put it in, put it in.
And what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna mix this
Mix it up, mix it up.
until it's all mixed all together. Let me put my hair back there. And we're gonna, like, you know, move it like this. Here we go.
Whoa, look at her go,
I
guys.
can smell that. Mmm. Smells so good, let me tell you. That's one thing that I like about that, Michael.
Oh yeah.
You know? So you just stir it like this for a couple of minutes. See?
Oh yeah.
Not a lot.
Look at that, guys.
See?
Look at that, guys. Stir it up, stir it up.
Stirring it up. So you don't have to butter anything because we're going to put them in these little paper things.
That's right. You see these little paper things?
Exactly.
What are these
So that's
called?
what we're going to do. Like the little paper cups.
Cupcake
For the
holders.
Cupcakes, exactly. Or muffin holders.
Yes.
You know,
What's
whatever
the
you want
difference
to
between
call
a
it.
cupcake and a muffin?
Well, a cupcake is really big.
Yes.
Cupcake is just like a muffin, but they're very big. They're bigger. You know what I'm saying? They're usually, you can pay like $2.
That's
You
true.
know, yeah. But muffins or cupcakes, they're very small. Well, depends. You can make large
Don't cupcakes have frosting?
Large muffins.
Muffins don't?
Well, you can, that's up to the person. Like if you want to put a thing or not, that's up to you, you know? So this is what we're going to do, guys. We're going to start, we're going to put only,
Look at that, look at that.
see? Not that much because we don't want to fill out all these holes, okay?
Why is that?
Because I got to put the cinnamon swirl
Yes.
in between, and then I want to put some on the top too. So we're going to put in the bottom and in the top. I don't know how much I'm going to make out of this, but I believe, can you want to back up with that?
Back it up, back it up.
You almost put that phone inside that batter, boy.
Almost.
Yeah, but not quite, right?
But not quite, but not quite.
Hey, hold on a second. Let me take as much batter as I can out of there. So here we go. We're going to continue to fill these babies up like that. Okay,
That's
so
right.
I want to put a lot. And here we go to the other batch of yellows. So if you're looking, you see, I have 6 yellow and 6 pink.
That's right.
So what that means is those yellow is going to be 2 for my husband,
Yes.
2 for my son Mike,
That's me.
and 2 for my other son James.
That's my bro.
And the pink ones that you see there, those are all going to be just for me.
Yes. Every single one.
So look, Michael, we got actually,
Whoa.
right? Oh, sorry about
yeah.
that. Yeah, that happens a little bit.
That's okay.
We got almost all of them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the powder cinnamon
That powder?
that we have. Yeah, because that is going to grow. You know that, right?
That's right.
That's going to grow real big. Hold on a second. So make sure that all my cupcakes, they have enough. Right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Do they look good? Even all of them? What do you think?
They all look good.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit extra here and there. Which one do you think?
That
has
one
a-
right there.
Oh, this one, right?
Yep.
Hardly has anything.
Yep.
Okay.
I spotted that with the cam.
Yeah, it's okay. Put a little bit more in there.
When you do the wide shot like this, you could tell
Yeah.
which ones have more, which ones have less.
This one.
You can see that, guys?
Didn't have that much either.
Yeah, that one too. But the rest of them are good.
The rest of them are good.
Oh yeah, look
So
at that.
then, guys, so I'm not trying to rush or anything because it's not really too much into like making this. What I'm trying to tell you, this was $2.99 because when you pay a little bit more, of course, the muffins or the cupcakes or the cake is going to be better than the ones that are 99 cents. When you don't have a lot of money, you need to feed and you need to shut up a whole bunch of kids that are getting on your nerves, yes. You go when you buy those 1.99 cents. You know what I'm saying? You do what you can. Now this is cinnamon sugar. Now what we're gonna do with this, guys, is we're gonna pour it like this on the top, on each one of them, okay? Each one of them, and then they're gonna grow up. We're gonna put it in the oven on 350 for 40 to 45 minutes, and these are gonna grow up. What I mean with that, they're gonna expand. They're gonna like rise up. What, Michael? What are you laughing at? Because I said they're gonna grow up?
A little funny.
Oh, well, you know what? People know what I mean. What I mean, they're gonna rise up, okay? They're gonna rise up.
They're gonna grow up and be fine citizens.
Oh, yeah, Michael trying to be a joker, Mike?
Look at that, guys. Oh yeah, a little.
So you see what I look like? Just like, oh, these are gonna be delicious. When these are done, let me tell you something. I'm gonna eat at least 2 of them with a large cup of coffee, and then I'm gonna take a nap and watch one of my shows from the 80s and the 90s.
Oh, I can't wait.
You know, I've been getting Michael into it, Michael, right?
I love it.
They're great.
I wish I was born back then so I could have appreciated those
better times now. But
shows
then every
more.
generation says the same thing about their generation, how their generation was better than the one prior and the one like ahead of us. The only reason we do that is because we were not growing these times. We were growing other times, you know.
That's
the
right.
values were different. Now everybody gets offended over every little single thing that anybody can say or do, even if you sneeze the wrong way. You get, you know what I'm saying? People want to talk about you because of that.
That's right, actually.
But yes, it is.
Yeah.
So here's our cupcakes or muffins.
Ooh, look at that.
Whatever you guys want to name them, you can name
Coffee
them whatever
cake
you
muffins.
want. So like I said, those 6 pink ones on the left side, those are for me. And these, they got are like, it's in between my husband and my 2 boys, the yellow ones. So 350, and it said 45 minutes, right, Mike?
That's right.
Oh no, 350, sorry. So the time, right?
Oh yeah.
In half hour, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
What? What happened, Mike? Okay, timer.
Interesting.
Okay, where's the time? I can't see time right there, right?
Yeah. I'm enjoying this a little bit.
Oh, yeah. I can't see more. There you go.
Right,
Okay,
you go.
30, no more.
40.
It said 45 minutes. Yeah.
All right,
So
guys.
45 minutes, guys, for on 350 for 45 minutes, and in 45 minutes, when I take them out, I'm gonna put a toothpick inside, and if the toothpick comes out clean, that means they're done. If the toothpick doesn't come out clean, put them back in there. But these are gonna be really, really, really nice cinnamon swirl cupcakes or muffins, whatever you guys want to call them. So thanks for watching. It's freezing outside, and today is November what, Michael? November 14th.
I don't know. It's
Today
just
from today is
November.
my mama's birthday. She'll be 81. Yeah,
Happy
that's
birthday,
right, guys.
Grandma.
On Saturday. Tomorrow's the 16th or today? Today's the 15th or the 14th?
The 14.
Today's the 14th, so on Saturday. So with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go, and I'll see you guys in 44 minutes and 20 seconds. Don't forget to subscribe. And by the way, if you want to donate $1, $5, $20, go to Patreon. Go to the link below to Patreon and donate whatever you guys want to donate, okay? From your heart, guys. We love you. Peace out. The drink and drive. And I'll see you in 44 seconds, 44 minutes and seconds. So you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe. Go.
It's
Come
on.
We're on?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because this thing went on. Hey guys, so we're back. And Michael, oh wait, it's hot. And Michael, he just beat. Oh, here they are,
Ooh, be
guys.
careful. Whoa.
I think they're really nice.
Look at those.
And here are our cinnamon swirl muffins or cupcakes. What do you want to call them, Michael?
They're coffee
Cinnamon swirl
cakes.
coffee cakes.
Or coffee
Cinnamon-
cake. Coffee cake muffins.
Swirl coffee cakes. Well, they're cinnamon swirl because look, it says in the box, cinnamon swirl, you know, crumb cake or muffin, right?
No,
so this is what
crumb
we
cake
made.
and muffin cake
Hold on, let me see
mix.
if I can take. Oh, they're hot. Oh, here we go, one out. I just want to like put it next to. Ow. You see? Does it look like that one there on the box? So put it more here, like that. There you go. So what do you think? Beautiful. Take a picture of that, Michael. So that's how our cinnamon swirl muffin came out. Just wanted you guys to see it. And now I'm going to put these over there. And I already made some coffee for my husband. And I'm going to make my coffee. The temperature's like so cold. I mean, you know, I like it when it's cold, but not this cold. It's like you're hungry all the time when it's this cold. I swear. Right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
You know, wow. very, very hot, Michael.
Well, let him cool down, Mom, for 5 minutes, and we'll come back.
No. I don't want to come back. Let's just, we're here. We can just, you know what I'm saying? Get them all out. I'm good.
Yeah,
You
I
know,
can even
it's not
feel
a
the
big
heat
deal.
coming
I
off.
know.
Him. Wow.
But it's okay. I'm used to it. You know? I'm used to it. Just want to get them all out and put them like that together. And it's so easy, guys. You know? You saw what I did. I just put that 2/3 cups of water and 1 egg. I mix it all together. I still have some more cinnamon sugar left. I put it in my food pantry and put it in a Ziploc, the rest of it, you know? Because that way I can save it like for another time or use it on whatever, something else that I want to use it on. I'm going to put it over here. Come here, Mike. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to give my husband, I'm not going to eat any right now because I just took my medication, guys. And, you know, yeah. And I can't eat anything sweet, but I am going to cut 1 in half. You know, so I'm going to give my husband these 2. It's so cold with a nice, you know, coffee, hazelnut with hazelnut dairy. You know, look at this coffee. I'm going to like show you guys one of these days how to make this. It's really, really delicious.
That'll be our next video.
Oh, just going to take a little sippy sip. Hold on. I shouldn't be doing that, but I had to. Let me take a knife also, and I want you guys to see. Let's cut a little one, right, Michael? A little one. So, like I say, you can put as much thing as you want, or as less. Oh, very, very hot, Michael. Wow.
Don't try this at home. Please let your muffins cool.
Yeah. You're so hot. Now, here we go. And this is what they're going to look like. It's very hot. I could hardly, like, you know what I'm saying?
Wow,
Try
be
to
careful.
open it because I don't want to burn my fingers. But I'm going to have later, I'm going to wait like 15, 20 minutes and then I'm going to have some of that. So if you guys want to make some cinnamon swirl muffins or a loaf, just, you know, just go get your buns and go ahead and make them at home. If you have kids, you can make it with them too, you know. And they'll be delicious for everybody. Everybody can eat muffins. You know, for dessert, you send them to school, or you can use them for yourself for work, you know, as a snack to watch TV with a big cup of Joe, you know, just like this one that I'm going to send my husband. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for watching. I love you all. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow for another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen, or maybe a drive-through video. So sleep well, don't drink and drive, and don't forget to subscribe.